Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by granting the app microphone, phone, and storage permissions so recordings can start reliably. Once done, open app settings and pick the correct recording source, native carrier calls versus VoIP or speaker output, because that affects audio quality and legality. Make sure automatic mode is enabled if you want every call captured, or add the quick record widget for manual starts. This sets a solid foundation and avoids missed files later when you need them. Next, you fine-tune how recordings are saved and where, because storage and format determine file size and compatibility. Choose MP3 at 128 kbps for smaller files, or WAV at higher bitrate for clearer audio. Then point recordings to internal or SD storage and enable auto-delete rules to manage space. After that, place a short test call to check channel balance and input volume so you don't discover issues in an important conversation. Make sure timestamps and file names match your workflow. Finally, organize and share recordings. You can trim an app, add tags, lock files to prevent auto-delete, and export to cloud or email for review. Once done, back up crucial recordings and clear app cache occasionally to keep performance smooth. If recordings stop working, check the recording source setting first, then disable battery optimizations or do not disturb restrictions, and reinstall the app if necessary. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most capture failures quickly, letting you continue without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.